Today we're going to be installing a trunk lip on my F80 M3. Hey, this is Brian. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and check us out at kiesmotorsports.com. We love our new shop F80 M3. It has been a blast. We've done some performance mods, and there are a ton of things lined up for this car, but there's one thing I can't stand. This car comes with the wimpiest trunk lip I've ever seen on any car. I mean, look at this thing. It's like an inch wide. Why would BMW put this wimpy spoiler on this unbelievable car? So today, we're gonna fix that. As you can see over here, we have lined up a variety of different spoilers, so you can use this video. It's more of a buyer's guide, if you would. We have everything from regular carbon, forged carbon, and as you can see, we have 7 different options, so we'll put them all on the car and see which one you like best, and then after we do some test fitting, we'll figure out which one we think is gonna be best. So, let's get started. The first part of the process is we need to get Wimpy off the car, so to do so, we're going to be using some fishing line. If you're not sure how to remove a spoiler, click the link above and that'll take you to the detailed video. So when we removed Wimpy, we realized that it's very heavy for how small it is. So today we're gonna put it up against our M Performance carbon trunk lip and we're gonna see what the weight difference is. This feels lighter to me, but it could be because this is just more dense. So let's put it on a scale and see. All right, so Wimpy is 0.57 pounds. So let's see what M Performance is. 0.56 pounds. And look at the size difference. As you can see, this is, what, 3 times bigger or so, and still is the exact same weight. That's because we use super light, super high quality carbon. But anyway, let's get this tape off and then we'll test fit some trunk lips. Now let's test out our 7 different spoilers and see what we think about them. All right, first up we have the 2x2 carbon performance style. This is what I used to have on my blue trunk before on my old car.
Subtle.
It is subtle.
It's going to be a lot more subtle than the other ones.
It doesn't scream race car. All right, next up, 2x2 carbon CS style.
I like the CS style.
Yeah?
I think it looks good.
You like CS style?
Like the in-between, I feel like.
I think I like the other one better.
Yeah, the regular performance style. All right, let's get a little more aggressive. Let's try out some high kicks. All right, high kick number 1. This one has more subtle and smooth curves. But it's still significantly more aggressive than the performance style and the CS style.
I do like the look of that one.
Zach's not feeling this on this car. And this is specific to this car. These look different depending on what style you're going for.
I think I'm going to like the other high kick.
All right, Zach wants to see the other high kick. All right, so this is the aggressive high kick style. See, I do really like this one.
I do too.
Do you like this one?
I do.
What do you think?
All right, so I really, really like this one. But if I'm going for subtle, this does not say subtle.
Not at all.
But it looks really good, and I like how it has a curve. I feel like on the track and whatnot, you may actually get a little downforce, which will get you a little better traction.
feature definitely stands out. I think it's between this one or
And performance.
Performance is good, yeah.
All right.
It's the color really well.
Well, let's try out some forged carbon in the same style. So let's start with the performance. Actually, you know what? What the heck? Let's start with the high kick, and then we'll work our way smaller.
That looks sweet.
That looks a lot better than I was thinking it was going to.
I actually like that a lot.
Darn you, forged carbon.
Problem is, if you do that, you gotta do everything forged carbon. Then
Yeah.
all just look perfect.
Because the front lip is 2x2 and the roof is 1x1.
Yeah.
And on the other side, it's like we could cover all carbon bases. We could have literally every style of carbon. All right, CS style, forged. Again, it's a nice balance of performance and high kick.
Yeah.
A little more subtle, but still has a little aggression in it.
I like the size of it. It's like right in the middle.
Yeah.
But I definitely like the regular style carbon better.
Yeah, it's good style, but it's not like punching in the face.
Yeah.
All right, so speaking of subtle, let's try this one out.
It's got a nice look to it.
Yeah.
Subtle.
Not my favorite though. I still think.
Yeah.
I think the biggest thing is because you've got the different
Carbon.
style of carbon fiber. Like you
Yeah.
said, you're gonna have 3 different styles on there, so.
Yeah, I think 2 is plenty. I love the forge. I think it looks so cool, and I like how every piece is unique. Like even these pieces, they look different. And you never get 2 the same, but the problem is the roof is carbon, the front's carbon. We might have some carbon on the wall back there that's going on the back of this thing, so I don't know, tough call. So my favorite out of the regular carbon right now, I'm torn between the second high kick and the performance. Let's test these out again.
I do like that high kick, the second one.
I'm going for more subtle, but that does look so good.
Hey, anything is better than Wimpy.
And the winner, for this car at least, is going to be the M Performance. We're gonna go for a little more subtle look than we did with the F30. So let us know down in the comments which one you like the best. And if you're interested in any of these, we're gonna have links to all of them down in the description. So now that we picked a winner, let's get started installing. Now the installation of a trunk spoiler is super simple, and it's pretty much the same no matter what car you're installing on. All you really need to do is put some 3M molding tape on, and we're gonna have that product listed down in the description for you. Now there's a couple different ways, but today's method, what we're going to do is just peel off the backing on the end ever so slightly, just like that. And we're gonna do the same over here. Okay, just like that. And you always wanna do both sides, and I'll show you why in just a minute. Then what you wanna do is pull the tape down. We've already cleaned the trunk with 70% isopropyl alcohol. Line it up where you want it. Okay, so that feels good. It feels good. Then you can stick those little corners down, and you just slowly pull this out, just like that. Now the reason that we pull both sides of the backing off is sometimes you'll be going along removing the backing, and then it'll break off, and you have to take off the spoiler and start again. But if you have it from both sides, see, there you go. Perfect example of what you don't want to happen. If you have it from both sides, you have easy access to get the rest off. And you just press it down and hold it for about 30 seconds. And that's how easy it is to install a trunk spoiler on your car. Now, if you're interested in any of the products or tools that we used in today's video, be sure to see the links in the description. Once again, my name is Brian. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. Check us out at KiesMotorsports.com for all your BMW retrofit, performance, and aesthetic needs. Once again, my name is Brian. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.